Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. You have mastered the where clause in the previous video, but now it's time to level up your SQL game. The having clause lets you filter group data, allowing for advanced analysis and insights. In this tutorial, we'll break down the having clause step by step with clear examples and practical tips. The having clause in SQL is used in combination with the group by clause to filter the results of a query based on aggregated values. Unlike the where clause, which filters individual rows before grouping and aggregation, the having clause filters grouped rows after the grouping and aggregation has been done. Now, let's look at an example to illustrate the having clause. Let's say we have a table named orders with columns customer ID, product ID, and amount. We want to find the customers who have placed more than 3 orders. So, we will first group the rows by customer ID and then we will count the number of orders for each customer using the count star function. Finally, we use the having clause to filter out the group results, keeping only those customers who have placed more than 3 orders. Now, let's look at the query. So, we want to find the customers who have placed more than 3 orders. So, let's first group the customers by the number of orders they have placed. So, let's remove the star, write customer ID, comma, let's give it a name as number of orders, and after orders, write group by customer ID. Now let's run it. Now we're able to find the customer IDs and the number of orders they have placed. But the question is that we want to find the customers who have placed more than 3 orders. As we can see that this table is already an aggregated table. So after the group by customer ID, write having count star greater than 3 because we want customers who have placed more than 3 orders. Now if we run it, so you can see that there is only one customer who has more than 3 orders. That is customer ID number 1. Now, let's create another example with a different scenario and table structure. Suppose we have a table named employees with columns employee ID, department, and salary. We want to find departments with an average salary greater than 50,000. So this time we want to find the average salary department wise. So let's select department, comma, average salary from employees and group it department wise. If you run it, you will see that we're getting the average salary. Let's give it an aggregated name as average salary. Yeah. But the question is that we want to find the average salary that is greater than 50,000. So after the group by department, write having average salary greater than 50,000. Now if you run it, you will find that these are two departments, finance and HR, that have average salary that is more than 50,000. So that's it for this video. Mastering this clause opens a world of possibilities for data analysis and reporting in SQL. So experiment with it, practice, and use it in your SQL queries to unleash its full potential in your data projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.